Hello everyone, in this recipe I am making a simple and delicious easy recipe, coconut buns. Yes, we are making a rock coconut buns or coconut rock buns. If you really enjoy eating rock buns, you are going to love these coconut rock buns. So I'm using fried coconut buns. In this method, I'll be making a coconut buns frying method. So if you really enjoy eating buns as for snacks, I try it as in Nigerian coconut buns. You're going to love these crunchy coconut buns. Come, let's meet our ingredients.
Sweet cream, butter unsalted, sugar, eggs, 1 cup of milk, flour, three cups of all-purpose flour. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you get notification of my new recipe, my latest recipe. And do not forget to leave down a comment in the comment section if you have any questions. So I'm going to start preparing our dry ingredients. Then I'm going to combine our sweetened coconut flakes with my flour. So I'm going to add a cup of coconut flakes. So I'm going to give it a nice stir. So I want to mix everything so everything is well combined. So after mixing this, I'm going to step this aside. Everything is well combined. So we are going to step this aside. Then we'll go ahead and make our wet ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and crack 2 eggs in a bowl. I'm going to give it a nice stir. Actually, I have another recipe on how to make Nigerian buns, but actually that buns I added vanilla extract, but in this coconut buns I'm not going to add vanilla extract.
So my egg is well mixed, so I'm going to go ahead and add my melted butter, and do not forget to check the description for the ingredients. I'm going to add my coconut buns ingredients in the description below. So I'm going to combine my melted butter with my mixed egg. It's going to give me that creamy form, so you can see it look really creamy. So I'm going to go ahead and add my half cup of sugar. Please do not forget to check the description for the ingredients. So I'm going to combine my sugar with my wet ingredients. So after combining things, we are going to combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. So let's just mix this until it's well mixed. You can see it look really creamy. I really love this. So let's combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. So I'm going to combine it nicely, and then we'll proceed to our next step in preparing our coconut buns. So let's combine our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. I'm just going to give it a nice mix, a nice combine until my ingredients are well mixed. So we still have other ingredients left that we are yet to mix. As I said, these coconut buns, I'm not going to add any water, so I'm going to use my fresh milk to serve as my water. So I'm going to use the milk to mix my ingredients together until it's well mixed. So I'm going to go ahead and add the other milk. I'm using room temperature milk. It's not too cold, but I just put the milk in room temperature. So this is how it looks after I mixed it, and everything look creamy and well combined. If you've not liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I'm always there to answer any of your questions regarding my recipe. Let's go ahead and start frying our coconut buns. So I have pan in the stove top. I'm going to add vegetable oil. You can as well use coconut oil to fry your coconut buns, but I'm using vegetable oil. You can as well use any oil you have available to fry your buns, and you can as well bake your coconut buns, but I'm actually frying my rock coconut buns to really make it crunchy. You can as well use anything to scoop your buns. I'm going to use spoon, and as well you can as well use your hand to scoop your buns. Whichever method you feel like using, you're all perfectly fine. So I'm going to show you how to use this spoon to scoop your buns. You just have to rub your spoon with cooking oil, and you can as well use your hand. Likewise, just wash your hand and use some oil to rub your hand and start scooping your coconut buns into the oil to make it. You can cut it into smaller size or bigger size. Whichever size you feel like cutting your coconut buns is fine and good. Then we are going to cut it into the oil until it's well fried. We are going to fry our coconut buns until it's golden brown, not burned but golden brown. So I'm going to go ahead and keep on scooping our coconut buns in the oil. As you say, you can use coconut oil to fry your coconut buns, and it also tastes good. You find the flavor of that coconut oil in your coconut buns. Actually, you can also find your coconut flavor in your coconut buns when using coconut flakes, and you can as well use fresh coconut to make your coconut buns. I'm going to share that with you some other time. So I'm going to leave this and allow this to fry. Please remember to fry your coconut buns in a medium heat, and do not forget to share this recipe with your loved ones. So we are going to wait for this until it's golden brown. Now we are going to, you can see it's a little bit brown. I'm going to flip the buns to the other side, so the other side is going to cook as well. So that is how you can see how it looks. It's already looking crunchy. It looks dry like a rock. So I'm going to flip it to the other side, so the other side is going to be cooked as well and look golden brown. When your buns is golden brown, it shows your buns is ready. Your coconut buns is ready, and your buns is ready to be bring out from the oil. So let's flip it to the other side and let the other side change to a golden brown or golden color. Then our coconut buns should be ready at that time. If you've not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you get notification of my new recipe. So our coconut buns is ready. I'm going to remove our rock coconut buns. So you can see it look crunchy, and this is how I make my Nigerian buns. You can as well check that out. So I'm going to put the link in the description below. You can as well check it up here. I'm going to also put the link there. So this is the outcome of our coconut buns, our rock coconut buns or coconut rock buns. This recipe looks delicious and it looks easy. It's an easy recipe. You can as well try this recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe after trying it. You can share it with me in the comment section. So this is our coconut buns. Thanks so much for watching this recipe, and do not forget to leave down a comment once you try it, and do not forget to share. If you have any question on how I make these coconut buns, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. You can see how it looks. It looks dry and looks like a rock and look crunchy. Do not forget to watch this my Nigerian buns recipe and this chin recipe. I also have recipe on puff and also have recipe on how to make homemade pizza and homemade sauce. Check that out, and thanks so much, and I will see you in my next recipe, and be safe out there.